Turn off the 2-lane highway onto County Road 545, and in 1/3 of a mile, you will find over 5,000 square feet of freshly remodeled spacious home in the Ozark Hills. This 7-bedroom, 3-bath home is waiting to be filled with family and friends, while also offering the peace and seclusion of a country home. Conveniently located near Gainesville, Missouri, for all your immediate needs, and under 30 minutes to Mountain Home, Arkansas, this property is your sanctuary near beautiful lakes, clear, clean rivers, public forests, and rural country towns. The layout of the home offers 4 bedrooms, including a master suite, living room, kitchen, and mudroom, all upstairs, with the opportunity for a second home in the basement with 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, living space, zoned heating and cooling, and full walkout access with tall ceilings. The possibilities make this home a fit for the many chapters of life. Featuring beautiful hardwood floors, modern appliances, custom tile shower, and the list keeps going. This home in southern Missouri is a showplace you will be proud to raise your family, entertain guests, or host family gatherings. Open ground around the house for a garden and fenced paddocks with a timbered draw in the back for hunting, this property holds its own in the hobby farm and country living category. Come check out 360 County Road 545, where your memories and moments are waiting to be made.